Hai, dengan saya Johan. Hari ini video ini saya sangat excited untuk nge-share sama kalian karena ini salah satu video dengan tema yang lumayan banyak yang request, yaitu jump back. Jadi di sini aku akan sharing gimana caranya jump back dengan benar ataupun beberapa gerakan ataupun latihan yang bisa kalian latih untuk improve jump back kalian. Oke? Tanpa basa-basi kita langsung mulai aja yuk. Dan hari ini kita akan cuma membutuhkan matras dan kaos kaki. Jadi kalau misalnya emang sebelum latihan kalian punya kaos kaki, just prepare the socks and later we're gonna use the socks to do some technique drills. Okay? Now let's get started. Jadi seperti yang kita tahu, as we know, the jump back is the very powerful transition in the Ashtanga practice. Jadi buat yang practitioner di Ashtanga, mungkin banyak yang sangat menganggap jump back itu salah satu transisi yang sangat susah. Dan for me, yes, itu emang benar sangat susah karena itu membutuhkan kekuatan dari lower belly, gimana cara kamu menggunakan bandas, dan beberapa tips ataupun teknik yang bisa kamu coba untuk fokuskan dan apply ketika Anda melakukan jump back. Oke, untuk yang pertama, jump back itu aku akan tunjukin dulu jump back untuk satu kali dulu ya. Oke, jadi itulah jump back. Kalau masih buat yang masih tidak tahu jump back itu seperti apa, yang tadi itulah jump back, itulah transisi di Ashtanga Yoga practice. Nah, yang pertama kita akan melatih core sama latihan ini. Jadi ketika kita ngelakuin jump back, kita harus selalu dekatkan lututnya ke arah dada. Oke, so this is the first tips when you do the jump back. Nah, sekarang kita akan mulai latihan dengan kaki yang kanan silang. So the right ankle cross in front of the left ankle and stretch the hands forward and pulling in. Nah, you can do manually pulling in the knees, pulling in the heel, and stretch the arms forward and hug. So breathing, you're gonna really lifting up the chest, drawing into the lower belly. Turn your abs and your bandhas active. So you do here, inhale and exhale, push. Inhale. Exhale, tarik lagi perutnya masuk. Dorong tangannya jauh ke depan. 3 more times inhale. Exhale. 2 more inhale. Exhale. Satu lagi, ambil nafas. Dan buang nafas, dorong. Push, 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 push. 3, 2, 1, and then slow down. Now, so try the other side. Dengan kaki yang kirinya silang di depan. Jadi, ketika Anda melakukan jump back and jump through, saya usulkan Anda harus senantiasa berganti kaki. Jadi, misalnya kali ini kaki yang kanan silang, nextnya itu kaki yang kiri silang. Jadi, dua sisi itu penting supaya balance core strength dari sisi kanan dan kiri juga. Oke, sekarang gantian dengan kaki yang kirinya silang ke depan. Heels in, knees to chest, and then really hugging in. Lift the chest up, inhale, chin a bit forwards, and push. So how to maintaining the legs close with the body, you have to really pull in and squeeze the knees in. Inhale, exhale, push. Inhale. Lagi inhale, exhale, dorong lagi tangannya jauh. 2 more, breath in, breath out. Last one, dorong, push. 5, 3, 2, 1, and then slow down. Berasa perutnya. Nah, and then next we're gonna learn how to press. Ya, how how you put the hands. The hands placement is very important when you do the jump back. Jadi posisi tangan kamu harus di mana? Apakah di samping pinggul, atau di depan, ataupun di antara. Okay, so in between the hips and the feet. Jadi mungkin nanti tangannya akan kira-kira di bagian sini, di antara kaki sama bokong. Jika press the hands here. Okay, kita akan mulai dengan kakinya silang. So hugging in the heel, hugging in the knees. Okay, tarik ke dada, tangannya ditaruh di antara kaki sama bokong. So when you inhale, you want to lift the chest and chin slightly forward, hugging in. Inhale, press and lift. 5. Keep the knees close to chest. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Langsung switch the other side. Tentu saja. Nah, kalau butuh stretching, sedikit stretching ya, I know. Sangat capek. So you're gonna cross the left leg at the front. Kaki yang kirinya silang ke depan. Hugging in the knees to the chest. Sama. Turn your belly. Bandas active. In your hands in between the heels and the butt. Press the hands. So a little bit. So before you press and lift, you want to lean back slightly and rocking forward. Lean back slightly and rocking forward. Itu yang paling penting. Jadi kamu bisa press and angkat ke depan. Ya, lihat dulu. So in this position, when you press the hands, you want to lean back your body slightly, but keep hugging in the knees to the chest. And the exhale, you're gonna push and lift. 5, 4, knee squeeze. 3, 2, 1, and down. Bisa? Jadi yang pertama, the first point is the knee always close with the chest, and the second point is about shifting back and rocking forward when you press. Shifting back and rocking forward when you press. Jadi hip back and forward. So maybe you can do like this, rocking back and rocking forward. And the third point of the jump back. So when you jump back, when you bend the elbows. Kapan kamu harus menekuk sikunya? Ketika kamu jump back. Jadi ketika kamu press and condongin badan ke depan. So when you press and lean forward, that's the moment you bend the elbows. When you press and lift and leaning forward, that's the moment you bend the elbows. So take a look, lihat dulu ya. I will just apply knees in, heels in, hands press. So when you inhale, you want to press and lift. And you exhale, chin forward and bend the elbows. Jump back. Inhale and exhale. Okay? So let's try with me. When you press, you want to lean forward. So when you lean forward, you don't want to collapse the shoulders, but you want to keep your chest open by bringing the chin a bit forward. So your body is ready for the chaturanga when you jump back. Okay, yuk coba lagi. Heels close to your butt, knees close to your chest, hands in between the heels and your butt. So rocking back, rocking forward, lift. Inhale and exhale, chin forward. And you bend. Inhale up dog and exhale down dog. Oke, bisa? Nah, option apa yang harus kalian lakukan ketika kalian latihan? Kalau misalnya kalian tidak bisa ngelakuin press atau press tapi nggak bisa slide the hips back, kalian mungkin boleh option. So I usually teach my student to do this option. So if you can't lift or if you can't drive the legs back, this is a good option for you to building up the strength slowly. Ya, pertama, pastinya ini yang paling gampang yang harus kalian lakukan. This is the most basic one in the jump back. So you're gonna press, okay? If you can't press and lift your butt up, you can try these tips. So I always pulling in, bring the hands and rocking back, lift up, press. So keep the chest on the ground. Okay, keep the chest on the ground and you're gonna lift the butt up. Hands come forward and you can jump back. Chaturanga. Okay, coba sekali lagi. Kaki yang kirinya coba ganti ya. So you're gonna cross, chest on the ground, knees to the chest, press the hands, inhale, press and lift. Still on the chest and lift the butt up. Move the hands forward. And you can jump back or step back, bend down. Okay? So this is the second options. Apabila kamu bisa press tapi nggak bisa langsung ke belakang, what should you do? If you can press but you can't drive the hips back to chaturanga, try to do this. Ya, coba. You cross the legs. Dari sini, kamu udah press nih. Inhale, press. Exhale, slide. Tap down. Oke, udah tap ke lantai, baru kamu jump ke belakang. Jadi intinya press itu wajib. Oke? Press must to do. Apapun itu, kalian harus belajar press dulu. Sebelum kamu press, kamu harus bisa sebelum kamu ngelakuin jump back, pastikan press kamu itu tepat dan benar. Oke? Dan aku akan tunjukin common mistakes. Kesalahan yang sering orang lakukan ketika ngelakuin jump back. I will show you first. Mungkin kalian salah satu bagian dari itu. Mungkin, I don't know. Bisa jadi ya, bisa jadi. Yes. Kita akan coba dulu ya. Jadi banyak orang, so a lot of people they will swing the leg to drive it back. I used to do this. Ya, aku dulu juga ngelakuin hal begitu. Tapi aku tidak mendapatkan efek dari pressnya. Karena press itu justru menurut aku itu paling penting ketika kita nge-build strength untuk semua arm balance ataupun ngelakuin transisi ini. Okay? The common mistake, they will swing the leg and okay, see? You don't have to press, but you can do the jump back. Nah, swing back. I don't recommend this one. Aku nggak rekomend ini. Jadi buat yang suka ngelakuin itu, coba untuk ngelakuin inhale, lift, and exhale to drive the hips back. Oke, sebelum kita mulai latihannya, aku ada bilang, we need the socks atau kaos kaki. Sekarang kita akan pakai itu untuk latihan. Oke? Oke, nah sekarang kita akan latihan dengan tanpa matras. So without the mat, use the socks. Ya, biar kita bisa latihan gimana kamu menarik pinggulnya ke belakang ketika ngelakuin chaturanga. So the same thing is simple. Cross, knees close, press. Okay, lift the butt up and slide it back. Okay, and jump back. Sama, you can slide forward and sit down. Gampang? Yuk, coba ganti sisi dulu ya. Silang dulu kakinya. Okay, inhale, you want to press, exhale, slide it back, and you can directly bend chest up and push back. Simple. Gampang kan? Jadi kamu pas dari sini, kamu silang dulu kakinya, cross, press and lift, or just keep your chest on the ground. If you can't full lift your body fully up, you can just lift up like this and slide it back. Satu lagi ya, coba. Cross, lift, and lean forward, bend the elbows, and bend back. Try again. So, aku akan ambil kesimpulan. Poin-poin yang harus kalian lakukan ketika kalian jump back. First, cross the shin or cross the ankle. Knees to chest, heels to butt. That's the first thing. The second thing, hands placement supposed to be in between the heel and your butt. Press the hands like this. Okay? The third, leaning back, rocking forward. Okay? Leaning back and rocking forward. So try this. Leaning back and slide the legs back, bend the elbows, chin forward, chest forward. Inhale and exhale. Yuk kita coba sekali lagi. Knees, heel, hands, leaning, rocking, bending down. Inhale and exhale. So this is a little bit tips from me to do the jump back. Oke, jadi semoga latihan ini membantu Anda ataupun memberikan sedikit latihan untuk nge-improve jump back. Oke? Thank you. I'll see you next time.